Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix can't sign out of Apple ID. Sign out is not available due to restrictions. If you are trying to sign out of iCloud or Apple ID, see the message sign out is not available due to restrictions. You will need to get rid of the restriction before you get sign off. You will need to get rid of the restrictions before you can sign off. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Changing this setting should allow you to log out of your Apple ID. However, for some reasons it does not always work. So the first step is setting screen time, content and privacy restrictions can prevent signing out of Apple ID. For this, open settings on your iPhone or iPad. Then scroll down and then tap on screen time. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. And then scroll down to the bottom and then under allow changes section tap on account changes. It will ask you to enter screen time passcode, so enter your passcode. Here tap on allow. Go back to your Apple ID. If that didn't work, you might try screen time turn off share across devices to sign out of iCloud. For this, in settings, go to screen time, tap on it and then scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the option of share across devices. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off and then again go to content and privacy restrictions. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on account changes. Choose don't allow and then choose allow again. Finally, if this didn't work and you are still seeing the sign out is not available due to restrictions message, you can turn off the screen time completely. This will completely disable screen time. After you disable it, you can re-enable it if you like. I hope this solution will fix your issue of can't sign out of Apple ID. Sign out is not available due to restrictions, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.